Today we're looking at the Mura hanging towel. It's made with Dishy, a number 4 weight yarn that's 100% cotton, and 4mm US size knitting needles. You can get the full pattern on my blog. It's an easy 8-row repeat. Here I'm going to show you 2 methods for hanging. This is the first one. Fold over the bar with the loop down in the back. Thread the end through the loop and slide it up to secure it. That's the first method to hanging your towel. Another method to hang it is by doing a tri-fold, where you fold the long edges into the center, then fold it in half over the towel bar with the loop down in the back, thread the end through the loop, and slide it up to secure it to the bar. And those are 2 methods for hanging the Mura Knit Towel. You can find the free pattern on my blog, ChristaCoDesign.com.